life is like this circle. For some of us, we are in the first circle, where we do what we love. But in the end, we are no doubt happy, but poor. Some of us are in the second circle, where we are doing what we are good at. That is, some form of acquired skill. Here also, we are happy, but so very unfulfilled and kind of living with no purpose. And the last circle is the circle that makes us rich only. That is, we are doing what pays well, but in the end, we are super bored. Sounds familiar? Well, the solution is nothing but be in this portion of the circle. It is the place where all the circle meets. You must be thinking, but how to go there? Well, that is what this whole course is all about. Your success. And to be successful, you must learn the art of positioning itself. Success in life can be summarized in 3 words: attraction, contrast, and trust. Do these 3 things and you will never fail. Here is another exercise for you. Write down your monthly salary that you can earn. You think you can earn. Write down monthly salary you think you can earn. Subtract it from your current salary and then multiply it with 12. Pause this lecture for a few seconds and look at the number. That is the amount of money left on the table for you to claim. So what would you do differently starting from tomorrow? That is the amount of money left on the table for you to claim. Write in the discussion section of this course and let me and fellow students know about it. Did all this sounds interesting? I am sure it is. There is a lot more to come. And for now, let's get started with the brand value. Let's understand what is actually brand value.